Good evening, crew. Got an update on the welding machines. Let's get to it. First and foremost, before getting the welding machine update, something really quick. Want to say that the last vlog was the 200th vlog. So this is the 201st video for this channel. It's very exciting. I'm very happy about it. Looking forward to the next 200 vlogs being published on here. Thank you again to my very best friend for all your support and motivation and for us doing this together. It's been a lot of fun. I truly enjoy doing all of this with you, the videoing, the editing, going over all the stuff for YouTube. It's so much fun. Truly enjoy it with you. And gonna keep moving forward into many more hundreds of videos, not just stopping at the next 200 videos. So for this update on the weld machines, the weld machines are here. Both the Trailblazer 330 Air Pack and the Miller Suitcase Arc Reach 12, they're both here, not in my possession. They are at MPB Welding Supplies. I'll be picking them up this next week. There are some things that have to be done with them. So after this weekend, they're gonna be doing some stuff with the machines, mainly the Miller Trailblazer Air Pack 330 for having the battery put in, all that stuff. It's all gonna be put together, lowered in truck, gonna chain it down, gonna bring it back to the yard, and that way everything will be set to go in the next couple weeks once everything is in for the welding rig to be put together. So it's very exciting. I'm very happy about it, and it's just everything coming together. And I'm super happy that the welding machine update is also the 201st, getting into the 200s for the 201st vlog. Very happy about it, very excited, and just ready for many more vlogs in the future. As y'all know, I've been doing with some of the bigger days, like the truck, the step-by-step of what's happening throughout the day. I'll obviously be doing that for the welding machines. So what the game plan is, picking up the weld machines, getting it back to the yard, all that good stuff, be giving y'all updates throughout the day. Really looking forward to it, especially once everything gets put together and it is a fully functional welding rig. So very exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. Hope y'all enjoyed this update, and I'll be seeing y'all in the next vlog.